There's not much to do when all I can is thinking.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos.
It's been way too
Are you bored wearing the same palazzo like a palazzo? Yes, I am bored wearing the palazzo as a palazzo. So let's see how we can style this palazzo into different ways. So, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can style your palazzo pant into different ways. Let's not wait and begin into the video. In this look, I wore the palazzo pant as a tube dress. To complete the look, I've accessorized with a black belt which has a golden buckle on it. If you're not comfortable wearing a sleeveless or a tube dress, then you can wear a shrug or a shirt on top of it to complete the look. You can just carry the shirt tying a knot on the shoulder. To complete the look, you can just tie the shirt. In this look, I wore the same palazzo pant as a tube dress, tying a knot in front. To complete the look, you can carry a bag and you're good to go.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside
In this look, I wore the same palazzo pant as a turtleneck dress. To give a more go out look, I have accessorized with a yellow belt.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well.
In this look, I wore the same palazzo pant as a one-shoulder dress. To complete the look, I've accessorized with black belt which has a golden buckle on it, a bag, and on the sleeve I've put a belt which gave a more glamorous look to the outfit. In this look, I wore the same palazzo pant as a one-shoulder long sleeve dress.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your
If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Do mention a comment in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.